Today, we are taking a look at the Sofirn ST1 EDC flashlight. This small, rechargeable, futuristic-looking flashlight boasts 1500 lumens of brightness, throwing a beam of light up to 226 meters. Let's see what you get in the box, and put this flashlight through its paces. As you can see, it comes in a small box, fairly standard packaging. Once the top is opened, there is a small orange cardboard tab that you pull on, to pull everything out of the box. Everything is packaged compactly together. On one side, we find the flashlight, enclosed in a protective plastic bag. Then opening the other side, we find a few additional things. The first thing is the user manual. Unfolding it, we find a list of what is in the box, technical specifications, charging information, and figures showing the different components of the flashlight, along with specific instructions on how to lock and unlock the flashlight, adjust the brightness, and use Moonlight and Turbo mode. Instructions are provided in a number of different languages, and there is a QR code that links to Sofirn's website for more information. In a small plastic bag, you will find a lanyard, or wrist strap, that can be attached to the flashlight for carrying convenience and security. You can also use it to hang the flashlight from a hook or carabiner, as this flashlight does not have a pocket clip or magnetic base. Finally, we take a look at the flashlight itself. It is enclosed in a plastic bag, which is considered the included dust-proof bag, listed in the box contents, so don't expect a fancy bag to enclose the flashlight in. Finally, with everything laid out, you will see there is also an included, short USB-C charging cable. Picking up the flashlight, you will see it has a unique 1+4 LED system. One central LED gives a 6500 Kelvin, cool white spotlight, for distance, while four smaller, 5000 Kelvin neutral white LEDs, add a wide flood beam. Turning the flashlight around, we are impressed with the build and design. It's flat and rectangular, following Sofirn's cyber vehicle design aesthetics, a cross between a mini Cybertruck and a candy bar-sized light stick. Now, let's go ahead and charge the flashlight before we give it a full test. To do this, we open the waterproof cover on the bottom of the flashlight. Then, we connect it to a USB-C power source. The LED circle then turns reddish-orange to indicate it is charging. The LED turns green when charging is complete, and you can disconnect the charging cable and use the flashlight. The built-in battery is 2100 mAh, and a full charge lasts through several evenings of medium use. It is pocket-sized, about 4.7 inches long, weighing just over 100 grams. This flashlight feels premium, sleek yet rugged. It's made of aerospace-grade aluminum, with a hard anodized matte finish. It boasts a brightness of 1500 lumens, is IPX7 waterproof, and impact-resistant up to 1 meter. As such, you can use it in any weather, without worry. That being said, we recommend attaching the lanyard, so you don't drop it or lose it while trekking around. As you can see, there is a small slot at the bottom of the flashlight, where you thread through the small end of the lanyard. Once through, you then take the main strap, and pull it back through that loop, to secure it to the flashlight. And that is all you need to do in order to attach it. Now, you can put it around your wrist while using it, or even hang it on a hook, and use it as overhead lighting in a tent. Okay, now, let's go through all of the light modes. Clicking the button once turns the light on. Click it again, and the light turns off. A double click when the light is off will lock the flashlight. When the flashlight is locked, you can press and hold to turn the light on. When you release, the light will turn off. To get out of lock mode, merely double click again. And we can click to turn the flashlight off. Now, let's cycle through brightness levels. If you press and hold down the button, the flashlight turns on with its lowest brightness, called Moonlight. Press and hold again, to get to low. Press and hold again, to get to medium. And press and hold again, to get to high. From high, if you double-click, it turns on turbo mode, which is the brightest level. Double-click again gets back to high, and a click turns off the flashlight. Finally, let's see what this looks like outside. Here is Moonlight. And low. Now medium. And here is high. And finally, turbo. As you can see, it really lights things up. Now, turbo only runs for about 2 minutes before the light automatically steps down to prevent overheating. In summary, we found this to be a nice premium pocket flashlight. Its sleek design was solid and quality, and the flashlight feels great in your hands. We did find the one-button operation with clicks, double clicks, and push and hold options a bit confusing, but after some use, you will probably get used to it. The battery should last a few days under normal use, and at Moonlight level, the battery will last an impressive 450 hours. That being said, it is not replaceable, so you cannot swap cells on the go. In summary, we found the Sofirn ST1 flashlight to be amazingly bright, with great design. A perfect companion for your pocket. We did get this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.